I'm here today to tell you about a cordless glue gun. I'm charging it right now. As you can see, there's a bright red light on the base when it's not charged fully. So we're waiting for it to charge up, and when it does, there will be a flashing green light. You get quite a few glue sticks with it in the package. Here's the package. I don't know how many there are, but there's quite a few. The company that makes this glue gun is called Tilswall. And I want to thank them for sending me this glue gun so that I could make a shoppable video to show you how it works. What I want to do today is to work on this bonsai tree. It's a fake bonsai tree that was given to me many years ago by a very dear friend who has since passed away, so I want to try to save it. It's got some pieces that have fallen off of it, so I wanted to try to glue them back. Now the glue gun is charged. You can see it has a flashing green light, so I will unplug it. And we'll put a glue stick in the back, and I have put down a sheet of parchment paper to protect the top of the bar. So we'll see how long this takes. It's so nice to have a glue gun that you don't have to prop up like this and then have the cord to mess with. So this is really an improvement. Little pieces like this have fallen off of this tree, so that's what I'm putting back. I actually don't know where they came from, so I don't know where to put them back. I'm just guessing. And one of the acorns has fallen off. So I think it might have come from right here. And this is a little piece of moss that came off around the bottom. This is good. These are all sticking back on. And this glue gun is easy to work with because of the trigger. It's so easy to pull back. Now all I have left to put back on is this big piece, and I don't know if this will work. I may have to actually get a nail or something to put it back on. But let's try it with the glue. Oh my goodness, another piece fell off. So I think these two pieces are too heavy. They're pretty heavy. But all of the little pieces went back on just fine with the glue gun, and I'm very pleased with it. So I would recommend it.